90% of the people fail to answer this question and they end up getting rejected in the interview. That is, introduce yourself. Half of the interview is done the moment you give answer of this question. Interviewer makes up his mind whether he is going to select you or not. And this question comes in many forms. Tell me something about yourself. Take me through your resume and introduce yourself. So don't get confused. The interviewer is simply asking about your introduction. Earlier, interviews used to be face-to-face, but this is a situation of COVID-19, so most of the interviews are happening over the phone call or video calls. So if we are expecting any call from any company, then we all should be prepared from the beginning. Make sure that your voice is polite enough or you are soft spoken, because you don't know what could be the number of the interviewer. So make sure that you are polite with all the unknown numbers you are receiving the call from. Start with these sentences. Hi, this is Upasna. Hi, Upasna this side. Or you can say, hi, you have reached to Upasna's number. These sentences looks professional and they create a best impression on the interviewer. So remember, first impression is the last impression. So once it is confirmed that you have got a call from the interviewer, start with greetings. Good morning, how are you? Good afternoon, how are you doing? Good evening, how are you? Once the greetings are done, interviewer is going to ask you, introduce yourself. So start with your name. You can say, my name is Upasna Sharma. You can tell your name here. So, my name is Upasna Sharma. Or you can say, I am Upasna Sharma. Avoid saying, myself Upasna, or avoid using Mr. or Miss in the beginning of your name. My name is Miss Upasna. It's not the right way. If you use Mr. or Miss in the beginning of your name, it shows that you are very arrogant or it doesn't look good. If the interviewer has already spoken your name, then you can skip this part of the introduction. Now comes the second thing. Where are you from? So you can say, I am from Delhi. I belong to Delhi. You can say any of the sentence. Either you say I am from Delhi or I belong to Delhi. Now comes the crucial part of the introduction. That is your professional part, where you need to talk about your experience. You can say I am a software developer with experience of 7 years. Or you can say, I am a sales manager with experience of 7 years. If you have experience in multiple profiles, then first part will be your present work field and second part will be your previous work field. I am a journalist with 3 years of experience and I have 3 years of experience in sales. Once you have briefed about your professional introduction, you need to talk about your present role in your current company. So here the format will be your current position, your current company name and when did you start working in it. I am a software developer working in Microsoft company since 2014. Once you have talked about your current position in your current company, it's the best time to talk about your achievements and your skills. Just in one line. You can say, I am an English trainer in XYZ company since 2017 and I have won Employee of the Year award twice in 3 years. So this way you can talk about your achievements just in one line. So by telling about your achievements and your skills, you can grab the attention of the interviewer. That projects a good image of yours in interviewer's eye. If you don't have any achievement, don't worry about it. Now in next step, you need to talk about your job role in more detail. Whatever you do whole day, what is your day-to-day work in your company, tell in details. You need to showcase your skills and talent. Once you are done talking about your present role in your current company, you need to talk about your previous company. How you will talk about it? the format will be same. First you need to talk about your previous job role, your previous company name and the duration from which year till which year you worked. For example, I am English trainer in XYG company. Prior to this, I have worked as a content writer in ABC company and I started working there in 2014 and I worked till 2016 there. While talking about your previous company, you don't need to go that much deep into it, but talk about achievements and skills if you have achieved in the duration of your previous company. Once you are done talking about your companies, talk about the certification courses that you have done. It could be technical courses or non-technical courses and mention what you have learned through these courses. Now comes the next part, that is your qualification part, where you need to talk about your highest qualification. You can say, I have completed my Bachelor of Science in Biology from Delhi University. First you need to talk about your highest qualification, then you need to talk about your college or your university name. If you have done any diploma courses or you have done any internship or any kind of volunteer, mention that as well. It projects a good image of your personality. If you have completed any project during your graduation, mention that as well. It shows your true skills. Now comes the last thing, that is your hobbies. While talking about your hobbies, make sure that you have a good idea about your hobby. Don't just randomly say like I like music and you don't know the name of any good singer or you don't know how many types of musics are there like pop music or rocking musics. Just in case interviewer asks about your hobbies or you can answer that question, it projects a good image of yours. For example, if you say I like reading, so the interviewer can ask you here who are your favorite writers or how many books have you read so far or what was the last book you read and what was the story of that last book. Talk about your hobbies wisely. That's about this introduction part. Here we learn 5 things. What are the 5 things that we need to remember while introducing ourselves? First thing, your name. You need to mention your full name. Upasna Sharma. We discussed what are the sentences we need to avoid here. Next thing is your where are you from? I am from Delhi. Okay. Third thing, you need to talk about your experiences, where you need to talk about your company name, your job profile, the duration when you started working. Next thing is you need to talk about your highest qualification. And fifth thing is your hobbies. So that's all about this video. I hope you have learned how to give introduction and I wish you all the best for your next interview. Happy learning.